Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about to find filters on Snapchat. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials. Moving on today's topic, how to find more filters on Snapchat. You see, there are lots of filters available on Snapchat. If you have already started using Snapchat, you can see there are lots of available over here. When you tap on the icon, you'll find these lots of filters. But if you want more filters than these, then you can simply tap on over here at the bottom beside the cross icon. There are the faces icon. Tap on it, then it will take you to more filters with different categories. You can see there are filters for you which might you like. And next is the trending filters. Here below the search icon you can see trending, face, world and lots of categories that you might like to choose for filters. But if you want to search a specific filter, you can enter in the search box and type a filter name and then enter it. And if you want to try on a new filter before using it, simply tap on the filter and then you can use it on your face and try it. If you like it, you can save it on your Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys in learning how to find lots of filters on Snapchat. You can watch this video till the end and learn how to get into the filter gallery of Snapchat, and then you can explore the all available filters of Snapchat and start using them for better snaps on your Snapchat. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any questions, you can mention them in the comment section.